There is a secret, hidden in plain sight for thousands of years. A secret that bridges the ancient wisdom of the East with the cutting-edge discoveries of quantum physics. A secret about 7 specific points in your body that don't just regulate energy. They broadcast reality itself. Welcome. Today, we're going to explore something that will fundamentally change how you understand your body, your consciousness, and your power to shape reality. We're going to talk about the 7 quantum chakras. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Chakras? That's just ancient mysticism, right? Unscientific. Unprovable. Well, what if I told you that modern quantum physics has discovered something that the ancient yogis of India knew 5,000 years ago? What if I told you that what they called chakras, we now call quantum field emitters? In 1924, physicist Louis de Broglie proposed something revolutionary. He suggested that every particle in the universe also behaves as a wave. This wave-particle duality became one of the foundations of quantum mechanics. But here's what's fascinating. Ancient Vedic texts described the human body as both particle and wave, as both matter and vibration, thousands of years before de Broglie was even born. The Sanskrit word chakra literally means wheel or disc. But it also means something else. Something the translations often miss. It means vortex. A spinning field of energy. And in quantum field theory, what do we call regions where quantum probability waves collapse into observable reality? We call them vortexes. Points of coherence where potentiality becomes actuality. Your body contains 7 major chakras, 7 quantum antennas, 7 broadcasting stations that are constantly transmitting signals into the quantum field and receiving signals back. These aren't just metaphors. These aren't just spiritual concepts. These are actual bioelectromagnetic vortexes that interface between your consciousness and the fabric of reality itself. Let me explain something crucial about quantum mechanics that will help you understand this. In the quantum world, particles don't have definite positions or properties until they're observed. Before observation, they exist in what we call a superposition, a state of infinite possibility. The act of observation, of consciousness interacting with a quantum field, collapses that superposition into a single definite state. This is called the observer effect. And it's not theoretical. It's been proven in laboratories thousands of times. Consciousness literally creates reality at the quantum level. But here's the question nobody's asking. Through what mechanism does consciousness interface with the quantum field? How does your awareness actually collapse wave functions and broadcast your reality? The answer is your chakras. Let's start at the base. The first chakra. The ancient yogis called it Muladhara, the root chakra. Located at the base of your spine, this energy center resonates at the lowest frequency of the 7. In Sanskrit texts, it's associated with the element of earth, with groundedness, with physical survival. But what does quantum physics tell us? At the most fundamental level, matter is not solid. It's vibrating energy. The atoms that make up your bones, your tissues, your physical body. They're 99.9999% empty space. What you experience as solid matter is actually electromagnetic forces and quantum fields vibrating at specific frequencies. Your root chakra broadcasts at approximately 194 to 256 Hz. This isn't mystical speculation. This has been measured using bioelectromagnetic scanning technology. And here's what's extraordinary. This frequency range corresponds exactly to the Schumann resonance, the electromagnetic frequency of Earth itself. Your root chakra is literally tuning you to the planet's quantum field. When this chakra is balanced, you feel grounded, safe, secure in your physical existence. But when it's blocked or overactive, you experience fear, anxiety, disconnection from your body. Why? Because your quantum antenna at the base of your spine is broadcasting dissonant signals into the field. And the field is responding by collapsing probabilities that match that dissonance. Moving up, the second chakra, Svadhisthana, the sacral chakra, located just below your navel. This center resonates at approximately 210 to 384 Hz. The ancient texts associate it with water, with flow, with creativity and sexuality and emotional expression. And what does quantum mechanics tell us about water? Water molecules have a unique property called quantum coherence. Water can store and transmit information through quantum entanglement. Your body is approximately 60 to 70% water. That water is not just a passive medium. It's an active quantum computer, storing, processing, and broadcasting information through your sacral chakra. Japanese researcher Masaru Emoto demonstrated that water crystals change structure based on the information they're exposed to. Positive emotions create beautiful, symmetrical crystals. Negative emotions create chaotic, fragmented patterns. Your sacral chakra is constantly broadcasting emotional information into the water molecules of your body, and that information propagates through the quantum field, attracting matching frequencies back to you. The third chakra, Manipura, the solar plexus, located at your navel center, resonating at approximately 404 to 512 Hz. The ancient yogis associated this with fire, with personal power, with will and transformation. Quantum physics has discovered something called the zero-point field, an infinite ocean of energy that exists in the apparent vacuum of space. Every cubic centimeter of empty space contains more energy than all the matter in the known universe. Your solar plexus chakra is your access point to this field. It's your quantum power generator. When this chakra is activated, you feel confident, powerful, able to manifest your desires. Why? Because you're drawing energy directly from the zero-point field and broadcasting it as coherent intention into reality. You're not just wishing or hoping. You're actually pulling quantum potential through your body and collapsing it into material form. This is not metaphor. This is physics. Now we reach the heart, the fourth chakra, Anahata, the bridge between the lower three chakras, which deal with physical and personal reality, and the upper three chakras, which deal with higher consciousness and universal connection. The heart chakra resonates at approximately 512 to 768 Hz. But here's what's remarkable. The human heart generates an electromagnetic field that extends 3 to 6 feet beyond your body. This has been measured by the Institute of Heart Math using magnetometers. Your heart's electromagnetic field is 5,000 times stronger than your brain's field. In quantum terms, your heart is your most powerful broadcasting antenna. Every emotion you feel, every intention you set, every thought you think with feeling, is amplified by your heart's electromagnetic field and transmitted into the quantum field. And the field responds. It must respond. Because at the quantum level, there is no separation between observer and observed, between broadcaster and broadcast. Ancient Vedic texts say that the heart chakra is the seat of the soul, the place where individual consciousness meets universal consciousness. And quantum physics agrees. Through a phenomenon called quantum entanglement, particles that have interacted once remain connected regardless of distance. Your heart chakra maintains quantum entanglement with every person you've ever loved, every place you've ever felt connected to, every experience that moved you deeply. This is why you can feel when someone you love is in trouble, even if they're on the other side of the world. It's not magic. It's quantum entanglement operating through your heart chakra. Information travels instantaneously through entangled particles. Your heart is receiving broadcasts from the quantum field all the time.
The fifth chakra, Vishuddha.
The throat chakra, resonating at approximately 768 to 1024 Hz. Associated with sound, with speech, with expression and truth. Here's something profound. Sound is vibration. And at the quantum level, everything is vibration. String theory proposes that the fundamental constituents of reality are not particles, but tiny vibrating strings of energy. Different vibration frequencies create different particles, different atoms, different forms of matter. When you speak, you're not just making noise. You're broadcasting specific vibration patterns into the quantum field through your throat chakra. The ancient Vedic concept of mantra, sacred sound, is based on this understanding. Certain vibration patterns can literally restructure reality. The Sanskrit word vak means both speech and creative power. They understood that sound creates. In 1974, researcher Hans Jenny demonstrated through Cymatics that sound vibrations create geometric patterns in matter. Different frequencies create different patterns. Your throat chakra is constantly creating geometric patterns in the quantum field through the vibrations of your speech, your thoughts, your expressed intentions. And those patterns attract matching frequencies back to you. This is why affirmations work. Not because you're thinking positive, but because you're broadcasting specific quantum vibrations that restructure the probability field around you. Words are not just symbols. Words are quantum commands. When spoken with conscious intention through an activated throat chakra, we're approaching the highest frequencies now. Stay with me. This is where it gets truly extraordinary.
The sixth chakra, Ajna.
The third eye, located between your eyebrows. Resonating at approximately 1024 to 1536 Hz. The ancient texts call this the seat of intuition, the eye of wisdom, the gateway to higher perception. Modern neuroscience has discovered something fascinating. Deep in the center of your brain, there's a small pinecone-shaped gland called the pineal gland. This gland produces melatonin, which regulates your sleep cycles. But it does something else too. It produces a substance called DMT, dimethyltryptamine, often called the spirit molecule. DMT is naturally produced during deep meditation, during dreams, at birth, and at death. And when DMT is present in your system, something remarkable happens. Your brain waves shift into patterns that quantum physicists recognize as non-local coherence. Meaning, your consciousness is no longer confined to your physical brain. It's accessing information from the quantum field directly. Your third eye chakra is the biological mechanism for this. It's your quantum receiver, your antenna for non-local information. This is how remote viewing works, how precognition works, how you can know things you have no logical way of knowing. Your third eye is tuned to what physicists call the implicate order, the deeper level of reality where all information exists simultaneously. physicist David Bohm proposed that reality has two orders. The explicate order, the physical world you see with your regular eyes, and the implicate order, the quantum field where all possibilities exist in superposition. Your third eye chakra allows you to perceive the implicate order. It allows you to see the wave functions before they collapse into particles. It allows you to see the future. Not because the future is predetermined, but because at the quantum level, time is not linear. All moments exist simultaneously in the implicate order. Your third eye can access those moments. The ancient yogis called this divya drishti, divine sight. We call it quantum perception. And finally, the seventh chakra,
Sahasrara,
the crown chakra, at the top of your head, resonating at the highest frequency of all. Approximately 1536 Hz and above, extending potentially into frequencies beyond our current measurement capabilities. The ancient texts describe this chakra as a 1,000-petaled lotus, a vortex of infinite connection to the universe. And what does quantum physics tell us? At the most fundamental level, separation is an illusion. Everything in the universe is connected through the quantum field. Every particle is entangled with every other particle. There is only one universal wave function, one unified field, and we are all expressions of it. Your crown chakra is where your individual consciousness merges with universal consciousness. It's where you realize that you are not separate from the quantum field. You are the quantum field, experiencing itself subjectively. Every thought you think, every reality you observe, every intention you broadcast. It's all the universe creating itself through you. The Sanskrit texts say Tat Tvam Asi, thou art that. You are not I in the universe. You are the universe. Your crown chakra is the quantum proof of this truth. When this chakra is fully activated, you experience what mystics call enlightenment, what quantum physicists call non-dual awareness, the direct recognition that observer and observed are one. So here's what we've discovered. Your 7 chakras are not mystical concepts. They are quantum antennas. 7 specific points in your body where consciousness interfaces with the quantum field to create, broadcast, and receive reality. And here's the most important part. You can activate these antennas consciously. You can tune them. You can align them. And when you do, you become a coherent quantum broadcaster, capable of collapsing wave functions with precision and power. Here's how it works in practice. Every chakra has an optimal frequency. When all 7 chakras are vibrating at their optimal frequencies and in harmonic resonance with each other, you create what quantum physicists call a coherent state. A coherent quantum state has dramatically increased power to influence the field. It's the difference between normal light and a laser. Both are photons, but a laser is coherent light. All photons vibrating in perfect phase with each other. And that coherence gives it the power to cut through steel. Your chakras work the same way. When they're aligned and coherent, your consciousness becomes a laser, cutting through the quantum field, collapsing probabilities with precision, manifesting reality with power. The ancient yogis knew this. That's why they developed practices like pranayama, breath control, and meditation, and mantra, to tune and align the chakras. Modern biofeedback and neuroscience research confirms that these practices work. They measurably change your brainwave patterns, your heart rate variability, your bioelectromagnetic emissions. They literally tune your quantum antennas to optimal broadcasting frequencies. But here's what most people miss. These chakras are not separate. They're components of one unified system. Your body is a single quantum instrument, and the 7 chakras are 7 strings on that instrument. When properly tuned and played together, they create a symphony that resonates through the entire quantum field. Think about your life right now. The reality you're experiencing. The circumstances you're living in. The relationships you have. The opportunities that come or don't come. All of it is a reflection of what your 7 quantum antennas are broadcasting into the field. If your root chakra is broadcasting fear, the field collapses probabilities that confirm danger. If your heart chakra is broadcasting love, the field collapses probabilities that bring connection. If your crown chakra is broadcasting separation, you experience isolation. If it's broadcasting unity, you experience synchronicity. You are not a victim of reality. You are the broadcaster of reality. Through 7 quantum antennas that ancient wisdom recognized and modern physics is now confirming. So what do you do with this knowledge? You take responsibility. You stop blaming external circumstances for your experience. You recognize that everything in your life is a quantum reflection of your internal broadcast.
And then, you change the channel.
You tune your antennas. You align your chakras.
You become a conscious quantum broadcaster.
The ancient yogis spent lifetimes mastering this. But you don't have to be a monk in a cave. You just have to understand the physics. You have to recognize what you actually are, a biological quantum transceiver, 7 antennas in a biological body, connected to an infinite field of possibility, collapsing wave functions with every breath, creating reality with every thought, broadcasting your world into existence, moment by moment by moment. This is the hidden truth they don't teach you in school. This is the secret that bridges ancient wisdom and modern science.
This is your power.
Your 7 quantum chakras, broadcasting your reality. Right now. The question is, what are you broadcasting? If this information resonated with you, leave a comment below sharing which chakra you want to activate first. Subscribe to this channel for more quantum truth. And remember, you are not just observing reality. You are creating it.
Until next time, stay quantum.